That's my Starlink receiver, and hadn't been long put this up. We're out here in the rural area, and we suffered with dial-up and slow internet for years, and we're really happy with the Starlink. Happy with everything about it, but the price. It's a little pricey, but when you live out here, you know, kind of off the beaten path, what else you gonna do? But I thought today I'd tell you about how I did it wrong, and maybe you can avoid doing it. You can see there's the Starlink receiver, and here's my dish receiver. And of course, I wanted to try to send the Starlink in, you know, the same place that the dish went into the house, because it's kind of the middle of the house, the living room. I could put the, you know, the router in there, central in the house. It's kind of tall, but I wanted it tall because I wanted to get it up over the roof, make sure it got good reception. But where I went wrong, and if you're going to set one up, avoid this, because I initially had it right here, you know, between, you know, all probably 3 feet, 4 feet to the left, like right in here. And it was up higher than the dish. You can tell there's the dish and there's the Starlink. And they were both right here kind of close together. And it's hard digging up here, man. Dig rocks, and where I'm at is like rocky. It's hard digging, and it probably took me an hour to get a hole dug for it. I planted it all up and run the wires inside, hooked it up. Everything worked perfect. Starlink hooked right up instantly. No issues whatsoever. After a few days or a week, I got to watching, you know, our dish, and that was becoming fuzzy and staticky and freezing. I'm like, what the heck is going on with dish now? Of course, like I am, I try to troubleshoot everything myself to save a buck, instead of hiring everything out or calling somebody. And after some research, I found that hey, they can be too close together. Maybe it's something I should have thought about, obviously, at the beginning, but it really never crossed my mind, because this one's kind of pointing toward the north, and the Starlink's kind of pointing to the south. I didn't even really think of them interfering with each other, but I'm like, well, let me go out here and move this thing. So I went out here and moved it about, I don't know, probably 4 feet, dug another hole and moved it. And that fixed the issue. So if you're thinking about Starlink, make sure you got clearance of any kind of satellite TV you might have, because like I say, the Starlink worked fine, but it did interfere with the picture on the dish. So that's how I did it wrong, and maybe you can avoid that. Thanks for watching.